like there are 10 1 cross 1 squares which are having 1, because there are 10 ones, right? So these are 10 1 cross 1 square, and then there are 4 2 cross 2 squares containing all 1. As you can see, one is these two ones, and these two, and then this two and this two, and similarly this two, and this two cross this two. So these are 4 squares is that. And the this other square, which is this square containing 3 cross 3 or 1, a square matrix of 3 cross 3. So that's what it is, and then it's summing up to 15. So how you can calculate this is by just doing dp. And yeah, you can initially you can start off your thinking while saying like, I want to calculate the first, let's calculate the square of all one side 1, then side 2, then side 3, and so on, so on, so on. But that's not actually practical. Maybe you can do it in much more time constraint. The practical way is to create a double vector of vector dp, right? And then calculating dp values, and the dp value will store number of square ending at this point. So number of square ending at this point, for example, for this one it will be 1, for these 3 ones, for this one, for this one it will be 2, because what are the 2 squares which are ending at this point? One is 1 cross 1 square, other is 2 cross 2 square, right? And similarly for this one also, for this one also. For this one, can you tell me what's the value? It will be 3, because 3 squares of one ending at here, 1 cross 1 square and 2 cross 2 square, and the other is 3 cross 3 square in this one. So that's why, and then we'll calculate, find the sum of all these value of this dp table. That will give us our answer. So dp value is done like this. If your row or column is 0, then dp value is just same as the value, right? It will be 0 or it will be 1. If your matrix value is the value at this point is 1, then only you will be having some dp value, otherwise you will be having 0 as a dp value. So dpij is equal to this 1 is for 1 cross 1 square, and this minimum of this 3 things is actually the logic of how you are calculating all the squares ending at this point. So it's like left one, it's like top one, and diagonal one, and minimum of all these. So yeah, that's all about it, like calculating dp and then summing up the dp will give you required answer. As you can see, the summation is correct. Sorry, I have clicked somewhere else, I guess. Okay, so that's all about it.